Hey guys, so today we'll see how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Before that, I'll show you my Instagram handle. Dark mode is not yet enabled. To enable the dark mode on Instagram, tap on settings, tap on display and brightness, tap on dark, go back to your Instagram handle, and you can see dark mode got enabled. I'll show you one more method. For that, you need to tap on settings, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, and now enable smart invert. Go back to your Instagram handle and you can see dark mode got enabled. Now I'm going to show you one more method. For that, you need to swipe down from the middle of the screen. You will see brightness icon here. Tap on the brightness icon. You will see three options. Tap on dark mode on, and now you can see dark mode got enabled on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family members. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.